Are you struggling to keep your personal and business finances separate? Are you wondering why it's important and how to effectively manage these distinct financial areas? Are you looking for practical steps to ensure your personal and business finances don't overlap? Now, if these questions are on your mind, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo, and in this video, I'll guide you through the process of separating your personal and business money effectively. It's about creating clear boundaries for financial clarity and business success. So we will learn all 5 of these tips as we go. Number 1, understand the importance of separation. Number 2, set up separate bank accounts. Number 3, obtain a business credit card. Number 4, pay yourself a salary. And number 5, keep detailed records and receipts. So now, let's break down each one to make sure you get the most out of them. Tip number 1, understand the importance of separation. I always teach and remind my mentees and coaching clients of the importance of separating personal and business finances. Trust me, mixing personal and business finances can lead to tax problems and messy financial records. And because of this, you'll have trouble knowing how well your business is doing. So, always keep your finances separate for legal reasons and tax purposes. And remember to keep your bookkeeping accurate at all times. Let me tell you about my mentee, Kim, how she learned this lesson the hard way. So you see, Kim loves to cook Korean dishes and people fell in love with her food. And so, this gave her the idea to start a business. True enough, her business became a hit, so much so that she needed to hire another helper. However, she made a costly mistake. At first, she used the same bank account for both her personal and business expenses, and this led to a confusing mess of receipts and invoices. And when tax season came around, she faced a tax nightmare that took her weeks to untangle. Because of that experience, Kim reached out to me. She then discovered what went wrong. She understood how important it is to separate personal and business finances. And this brings us to tip number 2, which is to set up separate bank accounts. Yes, the next thing to do is to take action by setting up separate bank accounts for personal and business finances. Open a business checking account and, if necessary, a savings account. Use these accounts only for business transactions, including your income and expenses. Now let's continue using Kim's example. After learning from her tax issues, she decided to open a separate business checking account for her Korean food business. This way, all her business income went into this account and all her business expenses were paid from it. Keeping her personal and business finances separate made it easier for Kim to track her business's performance and manage her money efficiently. This simple step helped her avoid future financial headaches. Let's move on to tip number 3, which is to obtain a business credit card. Yes, you heard it right. Get a business credit card. A business credit card helps keep personal and business expenses separate. Here's how to do it. Apply for a credit card in your business's name. Now use it strictly for business purchases to simplify record keeping and expense tracking. After opening a separate bank account for her Korean food business, Kim took the next step and applied for a business credit card. I cautioned her against using her business credit card for personal purchases to avoid any confusion. So now she uses her business credit card for all her purchases, from ingredients to kitchen equipment. And this practice simplifies her accounting process and helps her track her business spending more easily. Got that? Good. Let's carry on to tip number 4. Pay yourself a salary. Just because you own your business does not mean you don't pay yourself. A business mindset is about setting up a way to pay yourself a regular salary. You use this salary for your personal use, so decide how much you'll pay yourself. Make sure to transfer that amount from your business bank account to your personal one regularly. Just like Eleanor, my coaching client. Eleanor owns an IT consultancy business. Here's something important that she learned. Always pay yourself a regular salary first. Why? Well, Eleanor found out that mixing her business and personal money caused lots of confusion. Sometimes she did not know if she was spending her own money or the business's money. Now, she knows exactly now how much money she has for herself and how much belongs to her business. For Eleanor, paying herself a salary first was not just about sorting her money. It made her feel more confident and in control. And let's now go to the last one. Tip number 5, which is to keep detailed records and receipts. Always keep up-to-date, detailed records and save all your receipts. Good record keeping is important for managing your money and doing your taxes right. How? Well, it's easy, but you have to be consistent with it because it can get boring over time. Write down all your business transactions. Keep receipts and invoices separate for personal and business expenses. And you can also use accounting software to make this easier because you can update your record through your smartphone. Remember my mentee Kim? When things got busy, Kim found herself overwhelmed with all the paperwork. She realized she needed a better system. Now, Kim keeps her business and personal receipts separate and uses accounting software to manage everything. This software helps her track all her sales and expenses and even calculates her profits. She can quickly find any receipts she needs without digging through piles of papers. Tax time is no longer a stressful event. All in all, it pays to be organized when it comes to managing your finances, right? This is a good practice for any business owner. So, remember, a clear separation of personal money and business money is the foundation of sound financial management. And if you're looking for more financial management tips, subscribe to my channel. And for personalized advice, sign up for my newsletter. Let's master the art of financial management together. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying, be business-minded, Pinoy.